So here's how to turn off Windows Defender on Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for registry editor like this, and then right click on your mouse to find out this run as administrator option. Alright, then after that you need to simply go to the HK local machine, and right before it you will see probably this little arrow button. You need to tap on this arrow to expand it like this, and then expand the software in the same way. Alright, then scroll it down and find the policies. Here is the policies, so you need to again tap and expand the file like this, and then you need to find out the Microsoft, and then you need to expand the Windows Defender. Just select the Windows Defender and you are good to go. So now once you have done it, you need to move your cursor into this place and then right click to find out this new option. So from here you need to select the dword 32-bit value. Alright, now you need to rename the file as disable anti-spyware like this. You need to type exactly like this. Afterwards you need to double click on it to open up a dialog box like this, and then from here you need to select the value from 0 to 1. Alright, then tap on OK, and then there you have it. So once you have done this process, you need to restart your PC and you are good to go. So that's how you can simply remove or disable Windows Defender. So if you just want to get back to your previous version, or you want to enable the Windows Defender again, then you need to go here in this place and then simply delete this file from the registry. So for deletion, you need to select this file, just tap on the delete button on your keyboard and then simply go with the yes, and your Windows Defender will enable again. So that's how you can do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and we'll see you next time.